Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm sweating. Yeah, it's very hot in here. Very hot. I know very soon I get to cold weather, but today's the first time coming across my video. This Giggle now, can we share a lot about lifestyle, more fun, everything. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. This is my second vlog. If you haven't checked my first one, go and check. Yeah, go back and check. I have a lot of interesting videos, but if you're really interested in this relocating vlog, then go back and check my first video. I think you're gonna get more understanding of how I applied, how I got it, and how we are moving. This vlog is going to be how I'm going to prepare to leave. Oh gosh, I'm sweating. I need to move because I'm sweating profusely. Sorry, it's hot in here. Trust me, very hot in here. So as I was saying, you can watch my previous video, and this video is going to be purposely for preparing to go and how I'm going to leave the country. So stay tuned and watch everything. Today I'm going to the market to get a few things, and also going to take my yellow fever injection. They said it's a necessity, so I need to go and take. I had injections, but I need to take it. I'm going to take my yellow fever injection, and then if possible pass by the market to organize. Oh gosh, I'm still sweating. Thank you. I don't know if you guys are going to hear me, but it's too hot. But this is going to be a vlog. Yeah, I'm going to take my yellow fever injection, and then go to the market and get a few things. I'll carry you along, but the sun is scorching too bad. So if I don't get a soft place, like getting into the place, I don't know if I'll be able to carry you along. Sorry. So this is where I took my yellow fever vaccine in Kumasi. They call this place the cold room. Even the big hospitals, they don't have yellow fever vaccine. So this is the place you can get it in Kumasi. It's around the Metro Mass at Tampa Junction. At this point, I was so mad because the man was acting very rude, because he's the only person that gives that injection. And if you know you're going to travel, please take this vaccine earlier than before, because he charged me for not taking early. Okay, I got a driver. Kaya. Mommy, say hi to the camera. Rapping your big girl's life. Mommy, say hi. We're in Dubai market, Mohammed's market. Hi guys, we on it again. Today is 21st, very early in the morning. I didn't get all the things I was supposed to get yesterday, so I'm going to some market around, and I'm going to drop my sister before I head to the market. So I just dropped here, and I'm heading to a nearby market to get some few things, as I said earlier. I want to do a home made Tom Brown today. Yeah, I need Tom Brown. I don't know, I'm scared of my weight, like my kg. I'm already scared because I don't want to be taking things over the airport. But there are some things I still need. All the same, I'll try my possible best to, pack the necessary things and leave the ones behind. Yeah. So let's get going. I think I used the wrong time. Shit. Oh my gosh. I'm not so conversant with massive routes. I always get lost. So I just closed from my last shift today. Yeah, in Kumasi actually, because I'll be heading to Accra this week, and it was fun. I wasn't able to vlog. I was able to say bye to some people, my pastor, you know, the big people in the church, and so basically that's all. We're gonna catch up. So sorry for braiding. Yesterday my hairdresser disappointed me, so today I'm going very early. My very early is like 7:30 a.m. That's still early, that's fine. I hope she doesn't disappoint me this time. Hi. I couldn't vlog my whole braiding process yesterday, but yes, it came out. I think when I'm done dressing, I'll let you all see. I'll be leaving Kumasi today to Accra. I don't know how long it will take for me to come back to this city. It's a mixed feelings, actually, mixed feelings, because it means I'll be missing my family. I don't know how many months it's going to take. I don't know how many years it's going to take for me to come back in here for even a visit. It's a mixed feeling. I'm happy. I'm never. This finish, a friend told me, but I thought she was kidding. But it's really getting to me today. I was supposed to leave very early, but actually it's 8 o'clock, and I don't even know whether to go or not. But I have to move. Change is constant. You need to change. If you want to move on, you have to change. And the funny part is, I'm mostly in a car, but this one, you know, it's like moving out of the country, and that feeling, it's okay. We will survive, right? We will. So when I'm done and I'm moving out, I'll let you know. I think some of my sisters are not around, so I don't know if we can do that family picture. I'm not sure because my mom is not around also. But let's see how it goes. You know, I'm always with you. Today is 27th, April 27th, and I'm going to Accra. So the bye. I don't know if she's going to come to Accra, but if not, bye. Be a good girl.
I'll try.
You'll try. Be a good girl. Learn hard. I'll miss you.
Yeah.
Oh, miss so mom. Dennis, me go Accra. Stop it for me. Obey me. Oh yeah, sure. Amen. Bye. Yeah. Bye.
In all my life, I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that. I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense. Don't know.
So hi guys. I got home not long ago, and I got like around 4:30, but I got home like 8 because it was raining heavy. And I was stressed up in the car. I was tired. I was frustrated because you know Accra has a lot of history or a lot of records of flooding. So I was scared. I don't get stuck. Even that I got stuck at a point. But I'm home. Yeah, I'm home. I'm safe. And right now my whole room is messed up because I'm trying to pack the things I'm going to send back to Kumasi, and also the things I'm going to take out there. I'm so tired, and I'm already looking so tired for this whole journey because packing everything inside this room, after packing the things I'm going to take along. But I think I'm going to have my sisters around on Sunday, so even if I get tired, I'm going to push everything on Sunday. Hey guys, Rashida brought me a lot of slides, a lot of things. I'm so happy for the things, but I'm so scared of my luggage. But I'm so happy. You know, you're going to see Rashida very soon, very soon on this channel. But before then, let me show you all the things Rashida got.
I guess you're tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess I seasons change. And I move, and I move, and I ride, and I move, and I. I guess you're tired of making me take a night.
Guys, I'm super tired. In fact, I have capsized the room. I have turned the room upside down. You don't even want to see how the room is looking at this point. And I'm still packing. Yesterday I was able to pack some of my edible stuffs. In fact, most of them actually I'm left with just my dry fishes. Can you say fishes? Or I mean, they are Johnny Kobe and things, and I'm not sure they are going to weigh too much because already I'm having like 21 kg, 21.3 kg. So I have just 1.7 to make it 3 kg. And I plan to put everything in that bag. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but I hope I'll get accurate. And now I'm back to my things. I have some wigs here. Some other things. I'm trying to put them in a Ziploc. I'm trying to put them, remove the labels and put them in a sorry I'm sweating, and put them in a bag Ziploc, because I'm taking these things to weigh too, and also I don't want it to look like I'm going to sell them. I'm going to use them. I have a lot actually. It's messed up and I just wanted to update you guys. And today is Friday 28th. It means I have just 3 days: 28, 29, 30th and 1st. And for the packing I can. I will definitely do it. And it will work. Most of the things I need has to go. Hey, did I make the right statement? I'm exhausted, which is not retired. So you will see me when you see me. Guys, it's 11:30 p.m. and I'm still cracking my brains because anytime I put my things on the weighing scale, it gives me a heart attack. I have to take all these things out. I don't know how people get, because right now. So this is the scale I used to weigh my things. Amazing, right? Yeah, I never trusted the scale until that day. Yeah, and it really helped. I bought it at a Banana in Kumasi. It was very affordable, and it works so perfectly. Just have to get time for it.
It's all that I do 'cause I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know